If there's one tool that belongs in every toolbox, it's a good adjustable wrench. One tool, multiple sizes, handles more jobs than you'd think. But all adjustable wrenches aren't built the same. Some feel cheap and slip under pressure, others are so stiff they're more frustrating than helpful. And when you're in the middle of a job, the last thing you want is a tool letting you down. So we put together this list to help you find the right one. Here are the 8 best adjustable wrenches. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these adjustable wrenches aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the Crescent 4-inch adjustable wrench. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This wrench proves you don't need to spend a lot to get the job done. At just 4 inches long, it's compact enough to fit in a pocket, toolbox drawer, or glove compartment, which makes it a handy tool to keep close by for quick fixes. What makes it stand out is the versatility you get for such an affordable option. The wide capacity jaw lets it handle a variety of fastener sizes, so you're not constantly reaching for different tools. And when you need to make adjustments, the knurl turns smoothly while the tension spring helps keep the jaw stable and secure. It's also built tougher than you might expect at this price point. The alloy steel construction is heat treated for durability, and the black oxide finish helps resist corrosion over time. The polished head adds a clean touch, and the wider non-slip handle feels comfortable in your hand during longer jobs. Another useful feature is the laser-etched scale, which lets you quickly check fastener sizes in both SAE and metric measurements without guessing. And here's what Omar says. Despite its small size, you can still get a good amount of leverage. Granted, you are not removing lug nuts. The finish on it is perfect, giving a better grip. So if you're looking for an adjustable wrench that delivers solid performance without stretching your budget, the Crescent 4-inch adjustable wrench is an easy choice. Number 7 is the Crescent AC 2-6810-CV wrench set. This is the best adjustable wrench set on our list. Now, instead of getting just one size, you'll have 3 of the most useful adjustable wrenches in one package: 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch models. That means whether you're working in a tight space under a sink or tackling a larger repair around the garage, there's always a wrench that feels like the right fit. A big reason this set works so well is the wide jaw capacity. Each wrench can open up to handle a large range of fastener sizes. So you don't have to keep switching between different tools. And when it's time to make adjustments, the wider knurl makes opening and closing the jaws feel quick and easy even when your hands are busy or dirty. Now, it also has a laser-etched scale. It lets you quickly check fastener sizes in both SAE and metric, which saves time and reduces guesswork as you work. What I like about this set is that it covers most everyday jobs without making things complicated. You're going to have the flexibility of 3 different wrench sizes, comfortable cushion grip handles, and the convenience of adjustable jaws all in one kit. So if you want one wrench set that can handle just about any everyday repair job, the Crescent AC 26810CV is an easy choice. Number 6 is the Bahco US Ergo X-Wide wrench. This is the best for extra large fasteners. Sometimes you come across oversized nuts and bolts that are hard to fasten, and this is exactly where this wrench shines. It has an extra wide jaw opening. It gives you the reach of a much larger wrench and keeps the tool compact enough to work comfortably in tighter spaces. A big reason for that is the smart design. Even though it's a 12-inch wrench, the shorter handle and extra wide jaws help you get onto large fasteners without carrying around a bulky tool. That can make a real difference when you're working in crowded utility rooms, under sinks, or around electrical equipment. The slim head and tapered jaws help even more. They slide into spots where thicker wrenches often struggle. They also provide plenty of turning strength when a fastener refuses to budge. And because the jaws are precision hardened, they stay durable and grip securely over time. Durability is another strong point. The black phosphate finish helps protect against corrosion, so the wrench stays in good shape even with regular use. And here's what Tommy wrote. Feels like quality. I have used it multiple times for weird socket sizes. It grips strongly, and I have never had an issue with the worm gear backing off. So if you regularly work with large fasteners and need maximum jaw capacity without carrying an oversized wrench, the Bahco US Ergo X-Wide is hard to beat. Number 5 is the Channel Lock Crescent wrench. This is the best slim jaw wrench on our list. Getting into tight spaces is exactly where this wrench does its job. Sometimes when you're trying to reach a bolt tucked behind a pipe or crammed into a corner, your regular wrench just won't fit. That's the problem this thing was made to solve. The jaws are 68% thinner than a standard wrench the same size. That's not a small difference. That's the difference between finishing a job and giving up on it. Adjusting it is smooth and accurate. The 4-thread knurl gives you really fine control, so you're not fumbling around trying to get the fit right. And on both sides of the wrench, the measurements are laser engraved, inches on the front, millimeters on the back. That's handy when you need to size a nut or pipe on the spot. It's forged from chrome vanadium steel and finished in chrome to fight off rust, and made to last. So if you're working in tight, hard-to-reach spots and need a wrench that actually fits, the Channellock 806SW is worth every penny. And if you want to know the latest prices for the adjustable wrenches discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Milwaukee 4822-7508 wrench. This is the best jaw wrench on our list. This one has a wide jaw opening that gives it the ability to handle larger fasteners than many other 8-inch wrenches. It's a huge advantage when you're working in tight spaces and don't have room for a larger tool. And that versatility comes from the wide jaw design. It increases capacity without making the wrench bulky or difficult to use. And once you dial in the size, the adjustment screw helps keep the jaws in place. They don't back off while you're working, so you're not interrupted while working. Then it has a parallel jaw design. Instead of slipping or chewing up finished surfaces, the jaws stay aligned and grip evenly. That makes the wrench a good choice when you're working on fixtures, hardware, or anything you don't want to scratch. And comfort plays a big role too. The ergonomic handle is shaped to fit naturally in your hand, so it won't dig into your palm during longer jobs. So if you want maximum jaw capacity and a secure grip in one compact wrench, the Milwaukee is an easy pick. Number 3 is the Knipex Pliers wrench. This is the best adjustable pliers wrench on our list. When it comes to precision gripping, this tool stands apart. It combines the adjustability of a wrench with the gripping power of pliers and gives you a tool that can handle a wide range of jobs. A big reason for that versatility is the push-button adjustment system. You can adjust the jaws directly on the workpiece with a simple press. It makes size changes fast and easy. And with 18 adjustment positions, it's simple to find the right fit for different nuts, bolts, and pipes. The gripping power is impressive too. The self-locking design grabs onto pipes and fasteners securely, so the tool is less likely to slip while you work. And the durability plays a major role as well. The gripping surfaces feature specially hardened teeth that resist wear and maintain a reliable hold over time. The box joint construction adds extra strength and stability. And the forged chrome vanadium steel body is built for years of heavy use. Small details help too, including a secure hinge design and a pinch guard that protects your fingers. So if you want the flexibility of a wrench and the gripping strength of pliers in one tool, the Knipex is tough to beat. Number 2 is the Knipex Pliers and Wrench Set. This is the best wrench and plier combo on our list. The versatility of this set makes it so impressive. Instead of carrying a pile of different wrenches and pliers, you get 2 tools that can handle multiple jobs. The set includes both 7-inch and 10-inch pliers and wrenches. It gives you flexibility for everything from small household repairs to larger mechanical work. The best thing is the parallel jaw design. Unlike traditional adjustable wrenches, the jaws stay parallel as they move. It allows them to grip a wide range of fastener sizes evenly. That means better contact, less slipping, and less chance of damaging nuts, bolts, or finished surfaces. You don't have to stop and fiddle with settings. Once adjusted, the ratchet-style action helps keep the jaws locked in place, preventing unwanted movement while you work. And when extra force is needed, the powerful lever action really helps. The design creates more than a 10-to-1 leverage ratio. It gives you strong gripping power without needing excessive hand strength. Plus, the fact that this set can replace so many tools. It can take the place of a full set of inch and metric open-end wrenches while still offering the gripping ability of pliers. So if you want one setup that delivers the flexibility of both pliers and wrenches, the Knipex pliers and wrench set is hard to top. Number 1 is the Irwin Vice Grip Wrench. This is the best overall on our list. This wrench earns the top spot because it gives you the perfect balance. It is so easy to use. The adjustable jaw handles a wide range of fastener sizes. That's why it's useful for everything from plumbing work to basic maintenance. And when you need to check measurements, it already has inch and metric scales. They help you size fasteners quickly without reaching for another tool. Comfort plays a big role too. The Pro Touch grip provides a secure hold while reducing hand fatigue. It feels comfortable during longer jobs and helps prevent slipping when your hands are sweaty, or when you're working in less than perfect conditions. That extra grip also helps you apply more torque when dealing with stubborn nuts and bolts. So if you want one adjustable wrench that delivers dependable performance across almost any job, the Irwin Vice Grip is the one I'd choose. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect adjustable wrench. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each adjustable wrench. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.